If you are looking for the best IAS preparation, your journey ends in AbhimanuIAS Academy, an institute with 2 decades of excellence, benchmarking in civil services preparation in 5 states, qualifying more than 1,150 civil servants since inception. The culture of excellence is embedded in each center so that the success story can be repeated all over the country with similar quality education. Students get best quality education through highly innovative technologies with highly qualified and dedicated teachers. All the online sessions are totally interactive, led by the best minds in their respective fields. You can also save a lot of time, energy, and money by staying at the comfort of your homes by joining our live centers in your own city. Centers spread across 5 states become a homogeneous classroom where students can directly interact with the teachers and all the queries are resolved instantly in live sessions where other centers can also be part of the discussions. You never feel the distance because of the empathy of the teacher and enabling innovative technology platform.
Abhimanu started its online mentor-based learning model, and our endeavor was to bring the quality education to tier 2, tier 3 cities in various states like Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, and J&K. And successfully, we have been working on these 10 centers, and we have been taking quality education to these centers. And our further endeavor is to expand our horizons and open more centers so that the same quality can be made available to the students who are living in these backward or rural areas.
We started Abhimanu Unmatched Center 4 years back, and it's been a remarkable journey so far. It has been a true blessing for the aspirants of Holy City to get such an expertise civil services training at their doorstep. Though it has not been so long since we have joined this bandwagon, still we proved our mettle with maximum number of selections in the region. My experience with Abhimanu is much more than the material gains. Rather, it always has been a sense of honor to contribute our small part in the nation building process.
Being a student of Abhimanu's Amritsar Center, I have never felt the distance with the teachers from Chandigarh. It's always like they are physically present in Amritsar because of the high technology of the institute. Being at the comfort of my hometown, I am able to prepare for the civil services for which Kanav sir and our mentors, they have played a vital role and always helped me in resolving my queries during the classes and usually when they visit our institute regularly.